Hi, boys and girls. For today's lesson, you're going to need your math notebook to take notes. So if you want to pause the video to go get your math notebook, and we will begin. Today, we are going to learn about factors. And factors are a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product. So for example, if we have 5 times 4 equals 20, 5 and 4 are our factors. Our product is the answer to a multiplication problem, which would be 20. So I need you to stop the video and to copy this into your notes. Please make sure you put the heading, which is factors, the title. You're going to write a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product. You also want the example and to label it. Okay, once you finish that, I'm going to show you a strategy called the rainbow strategy to find the factors of a number. So we're going to start with the number 12. If I want to find all the factors of 12, I'm always going to start with the number 1. 1 times the number is always going to give you the product. So if I have 1 times 12, that equals 12. And I use this as a rainbow to represent the multiplication symbol. And then I'm going to go, after 1 comes the number 2. So I need to think about, does 2 times anything equal 12? Well, it does. 2 times 6. So I'm going to draw another rainbow. This is my multiplication. And I'm going to go to 3. Does 3 times anything equals 12? Yes, 3 times 4. Then I'll go to 5. Is 5 times anything? No. 6? Well, I already used 6, so that means I can stop. When I look at it, these are all the factors. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Then you have something called factor pairs, the two numbers that multiply to give you the product. Our factor pairs, are 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So I have 3 factor pairs. And I have 6 factors. I would like for you to pause the video and for you to write this in your notes. Once you finish, we are going to practice doing this together. So pause the video to write all this down and then come back for some practice. Okay, so now we are going to practice using the number 24. So I want you on your piece of paper, you can do this in your notebook or just any piece of paper, write the number 24 on top. We want to find all the factors and factor pairs for 24. I always go in order. The reason I go in order is so that I don't miss any of our factors. So I'm going to start with 1. 1 times 24 equals 24. 2. Well, I know it's an even number, so I know 2 is going to divide into it. So 2 times, now if this is kind of hard for you, you can do your multiples on the side by counting by 2s until you get to 24. Well, I know 2 times 12 will give me 24. I'm going to think about 3, my 3 times tables. If I get stuck, you want to make sure that you're doing your 3s on the side. So 3 times 8 will equal 24. 4 times 6. 5 does not go into 24. 6, well, I already have it, so that means I am done. So I'm going to first do my factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are my factors of 24. My factor pairs are the two numbers I multiplied, and I'm going to use my rainbow to help me. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. These are my factor pairs. For your work today, you are going to go into your Google Classroom for your practice with your factors. Please use your notes if you're still having trouble. Have a great day.